Hi, my name is David. I'm the head of sales at PaytestLab, and today I'm going to show you how we automate the EMV Level 3 certification with the ICC tool. So, you know the traditional way where you use the ICC card to load and unload them. I'm gonna show you two alternatives today, including our PaytestProbe, which we use manually, or automated on the robot. Now, let's get going and start with the test cards. As soon as you start your Visa project, you're asked to choose either for the ICC SIM chip cards, which you already have, or now the PaytestProbe. First, we're gonna run with the ICC SIM chip cards. And then we will choose a contactless transaction and run this test. Now, I am asked to place my contactless card on my reader, so the test will be loaded onto my card. And as soon as the card is ready, I will start the purchase transaction on my terminal for a random amount and then use my card, place it on the contactless reader and place it on the reader again, where the test result is unloaded from the card. I will then be asked to confirm if the transaction has been passed or failed. So in this scenario it passed. I'm gonna save this. Then I can upload a receipt if there will be any. This test case doesn't need me to upload the receipt, so I'm gonna choose no. And then my test has been completed. Now, how does this look if we use PaytestProbe? Alright, now let's use the PaytestProbe, which we have connected by USB directly to my notebook, to the ICC SIM TMAT tool, and I can use this now for contact or contactless transactions. So instead of choosing the ICC SIM chip card, I now choose the PaytestProbe. Make sure that my correct MAC address is inserted, and then my probe is ready to be used. So same procedure, I choose the next test case, I run it. The test is now already loaded onto my PaytestProbe, so I can simply go to the payment terminal, enter the purchase mode, choose a random transaction amount, and then complete this test by just tabbing the PaytestProbe onto the terminal. So there's no loading or unloading of the cards involved. I still have to confirm if the transaction has been approved or not. So yes, the transaction was okay, this is a pass, I save it, and as well I will be prompted to upload a manual receipt. Again, this test case doesn't require to upload one, so we choose no, save it, and then it has been completed. So you see, it's already easier to use PaytestProbe integrated as loading and unloading the card. As a last step, we are now going to run the EMV Level 3 certification through PaytestHub. PaytestHub helps us to orchestrate and execute the tests, which we load from the test tool, and they are executed on the Paytest Robot T4. If you haven't seen how this is done before, then please make sure to rewatch our webinar from April, where we show the ICC Automation in full length. So I'm choosing this selected test case, I run it on the robot. I'll activate the live stream so we can see what's happening on the terminal. You see the robot starts to work and the test case is automatically built with the ADB extension. Once the test has been completed, the result will be stored back in the ICC test tool, including the receipts and all the log information. So I can simply choose all the test cases I want to run. PaytestHub will orchestrate them automatically, and I just come back for the certification and the debugging afterwards. So as soon as I have all my tests together in ICC completed, I send it off for the certification and get my EMV Level 3 pass from the acquirer. Thanks for tuning in today. If you also want to get started with PaytestProbe and automating your EMV Level 3 process, don't hesitate to contact me on the sales@paytestlab.com, and I'm very happy to assist you.